All right, this is the WAVLINK hard drive cloner or reader. It reads a variety of SATA drives. I'm just gonna tell you why I got this, what I used it for, and I'm gonna show you what comes with it, and then you can make the determination of whether this is the right device for you or not. When you get this thing, it arrives just like this. It's very, very, very lightweight, less than a pound, made out of plastic. We got 4 rubber feet on the bottom on here. This particular slot right here is removable. They work as a kind of a backstop when you're putting your drive in. So you have the capability to load 2 different drives on here. It comes with about a 5-foot, 12-volt power adapter, which is actually pretty well built, pretty sturdy. And you get a nice cable here to hook this up to your computer with. You can do a bunch of different things with this. On the top here, it's got 2 USB charging ports. These are charging ports only. And on this section right here, we got an on-off switch, and we've got a little mini docking station here. You can dock 2 USB 3.0 devices on here, micro SD or an SD, which is actually really cool because I plugged my phone in here and was able to drop files onto my desktop. You can use this online. Basically, you're just gonna plug this into your computer, put this thing in here, turn it on, and it shows up in your settings as an extra hard drive, and then you can drag and drop stuff off there, and that's what I used it for. Now, if I wanted to, you can actually offline, not plugged into a computer, clone this entire hard drive. When you use the clone feature on here, the hard drive that you're going to clone your files onto must be larger than the hard drive that you're cloning it from. For instance, this is a 500 gig drive. If I wanted to clone this, I would need a blank drive that is larger than 500 gigs. Basically, you plug it in, turn the power on, and you press this button offline, and it will clone the hard drive. And it tells you its progress along the way, 25, 50, 75, 100%. Pretty awesome little lightweight device. It really saved me because I needed to get all my information off of this hard drive onto my new computer when it crashed. But I'm really glad I found this. It worked exactly as it was intended to work, and I couldn't be happier with it.